Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel, also hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you can get the further notification of the upcoming classes. So our today's video is on TOC. Here we are going to learn tricks to learn languages hierarchy with accepting automata. And guys, the speciality of this session is here I'll be covering 30 seconds, 5 tricks. Yes, 5 tricks will be there and it will take just 30 seconds and you are ready to understand the language's hierarchy along with the accepting automata. So are you ready? Okay. So first of all, we are having regular language. Okay. First of all, we are going to understand the hierarchy. So a subset. So regular language, all the regular language can cover CFL, okay, context free languages. And all the context free languages is the subset of context sensitive language. And all the context sensitive language are the subset of regular expression language. So this is the basic hierarchy. That means you need to understand regular language is the subset of CFL and then CSL and then REL. Okay, so this will be the sequence. But how to remember? Okay, one more thing. This is not completed. Okay, we have to understand what are the automata machines who are accepting these languages. So first of all, for regular language, finite automata. For CFL, okay, push down automata. For CSL, linear bounded automata. And for regular expression languages, Turing machine. Okay. So this will be your complete knowledge. But how can we remember all these things? Okay. So here I am sharing a trick with you. Through that you will understand the hierarchy of the languages. Okay. To remember the sequence of subset or the hierarchy of languages, you need to learn this particular sentence and you are ready to go. So the sentence is if you study regular, if you study regular, you can freely sense real life concepts. Why we are studying? So that we can understand our real life phenomenon very easily. So to become more understandable, you need to study regular and through that you can freely sense real life concept. Now from regular you can learn regular languages. Freely you can learn context free languages. From sense you can learn context sensitive languages and from real you can learn REL, that is regular expression languages. So just you need to remember this particular sentence and you are ready to go. Now the next problem will be how to remember which automata machine accepts which languages. Okay, so I'm here with the another trick. So here I'm covering total 4 tricks and you are ready to go with the accepting automata. First one, regular language. That means regular language accepted by finite automata. But how we can remember? So guys, regular students can study fine. That means if you are a regular student, that means you have joined a series of 10 days, right? And you have attended day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 till day 10 timely, okay, on regular basis. Then you can understand each and everything finally, one and one, right? And one more trick will be there. You can remember so that you can understand the concept easily. So regular students, okay, can complete the syllabus in finite time. Okay, regular students can cover the syllabus in finite time. That means if you are having a syllabus and you are having 2 years, right, you have divided that 2 years in 4 parts. That means each of 6 months, right? First 6 months you have you have go through the basics. Then next 6 months you go through the hard part. Then next 6 months you have re-study the all those things, and last 6 months you have revised all those things. So you got the idea in fourth month that the how much time you will take to cover each and every subject, how much time you will cover to take one topic. Okay, so you will get the finite time, right? Now, trick 3 is for context-free language accepted by push-down automata. So guys, context-free language is equal to CFL. CFL bulb, as you know very well, right? So CFL bulb helps in padhai. PDA, that means padhai. If you have CFL bulb, you can learn each and everything very clearly. So CFL bulb helps in padhai. Third trick, that is trick 4, context sensitive language accepted by linear bounded automata. So from that you can learn sensitivity. If you are enough sensitive to anything, that means you are weak, right, at some points, and sensitivity bounds you, restricts you. So sensitivity bounds you. From that you can remember CSL accepted by linear bounded automata. Trick 5 is REL, that means regular expression languages, is accepted by Turing machine. From that, real time. Just remember real time. Always we use these two terms, real life example. In my session, you always uh, uh, go through these two terms, that is real time, because I am explaining each and everything through real time example. Okay, so real time, from real time, rel, that is regular expression language, and from time TM, that is Turing machine. So that's all in this session. Thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing.